For over 70 years, the US dollar has been the king of international trade. But today, a group of countries, the BRICS, are trying to change the rules of the game. The BRICS are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Together, they represent over 40% of the world's population and nearly a quarter of global GDP, a powerful economic bloc in fast-changing global markets. The dollar's dominance gives the United States huge power, control over global trade, influence in financial markets, and the ability to sanction other countries. The BRICS want to reduce this dependency. Some suggest creating a common BRICS currency, or simply using their national currencies more in trade. China, for example, is increasingly pushing for the yuan to be used in international contracts. Shifts could be gradual, more bilateral deals, currency swaps, and trade invoicing outside the dollar. If the dollar loses its dominance, global finance could be shaken. Less demand for US Treasury bonds, more volatility in currency markets, and a shift toward a multipolar economic order. In short, the BRICS haven't dethroned the dollar yet, but their growing influence may signal the start of a multipolar world.